Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Unwanted Kit tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Mankind Pharma Ltd. Unwanted Kit. Uses. Unwanted Kit is used for medical abortion. It is prescribed to terminate an early-stage pregnancy, up to 10 weeks or 70 days, from the first day of the last menstrual period. It is important to use this medication only under a doctor's supervision. Benefits. Unwanted Kit provides a non-surgical option for terminating a pregnancy. It works effectively by blocking the hormone progesterone, which is necessary for maintaining pregnancy. This medicine allows the uterus lining to break down, stopping the pregnancy from progressing. Always consult a healthcare provider before using this medication. Side effects. Like all medications, Unwanted Kit may cause side effects. Some common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramps, uterine contractions, and heavy menstrual bleeding, menorrhagia. If any severe symptoms occur, seek immediate medical attention. How to use. Take Unwanted Kit exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Check the label for proper instructions. This medication is usually taken with food to reduce stomach discomfort. Do not take it without consulting a healthcare professional. How it works. Unwanted Kit contains two medicines, mifepristone and misoprostol. Mifepristone blocks progesterone, a hormone required to sustain pregnancy, causing the uterus lining to break down. Misoprostol then increases uterine contractions, leading to the expulsion of pregnancy tissue.